Well, hello, beautiful people. You could have been anywhere in the world, but you are here with me, and I definitely appreciate that. To all the new people stopping by my channel, hi, you guys. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on that bell notification so you're notified each time I post a video. And to all of my returning subscribers, hey, y'all. And so today, y'all, we are going to be in here shopping at JOANN'S and seeing what they have in store, no pun intended, for this Halloween season. So if you want to see what all JOANN'S has, because y'all, they are definitely coming with that pressure, then definitely keep on watching. Alright, you guys, so this is what we are looking at right now. They have the Halloween decor 40% off. So we have this wall decor. It's giving very much eclipse. We also have this eclipse book stand. It's for bookshelf. It's $49.99. More of the eclipse, $14.99. My sister would absolutely love this stuff. She loves anything with like moons and stuff like that. So $19.99. Oh no, this is cute right here for $29.99. Now this, y'all, it's broke, but I love it. This is $34.99. Super cute. They have them in multiple sizes. So they have this small one right here, and then they have this big one, which is $39.99. These are cute. These light up as well. Let's see. This is this is $39.99. Now y'all remember I went to Home Goods and I seen these snake candle stick holders. These are just the snakes, which are cute, and these are a lot lighter than what they had at Home Goods. They also have these little mini cauldrons for $19.99. More astrology. These are cute. It's $19.99. And it's little mushrooms. Got the disco balls. Oh, now this is cute. Down here, they have the snake coming out of the skull head. This is $29.99. Super cute. These are some big pillows, you guys, and the price on these are $39.99, but also keep in mind everything is 40% off. Oh, I thought I had broke my nail. They have another cauldron, but it has the moons on it, and this is very, very sturdy. This right here, the price is $59.99. All right, you guys, so they have some hand towels here, all different kinds, and the prices are $9.99. So my JOANN'S has these on an end cap, which is pretty cool. They have some skeletons here, pumpkin face, regular skeletons. And these are $39.99. You also have the little mini ones for $9.99. I am gonna buy some of these because I want to put them on the top of the light fixtures. They also have a bag of skulls, which is pretty cool. And then they have the bird skeletons down here, $12.99. And now if you guys are into the DIY, They have several options here, which I think is uber cute because you can use this if you're having a Halloween party. So they have the coffin here, which this is $24.99. If you're wanting to just do a regular door sign, this is $24.99. You have the little haunted house scenery, $12.99. You also have some skulls down here, which are pretty cool. You can decorate these yourselves, and the price is $12.99. The same thing with these pumpkins. They do light up, and these are $29.99. So I will say, you guys, I was definitely impressed with everything that JOANN'S had in store for this Halloween season. These skeletons, I have not seen anything like this. And so they had the skeletons that were the neon colors as well as the skulls. And there's a fluorescent light that you would add to these, and they light up, and you can change them to different colors, which I thought was cool. This pumpkin right here, you guys, I was kind of impressed by because I thought it was going to be like a cloth, but it was actually like a styrofoam, which was pretty cool. Like, they had so many different varieties of pumpkins. And so whether you are decorating for a spooktacular evening or if you're decorating for just fall in general, they definitely had you covered. I was very impressed with the size selections as well as the price. Also, you guys, don't forget, everything that I'm showing you guys is 40% off. They also had these cute towels and then just your cliche like fall attire. Y'all, this mug right here, the Burr months are finally here. I think this is super cute and it's reasonably priced at $9.99. If you are thinking about maybe giving this to someone as a gift, it would be great. Also, you guys, I was in here vlogging and the manager came up to me and was like, oh my gosh, did you see our new workers that are back in the back? And I was like, no. She was like, you should definitely go and check them out. Y'all, this little display was so cute. It's so cute. The attention to detail was everything, and everything that they have displayed out here is also within the store for you to purchase. I am definitely loving the skeleton display. They did a really good job. Just the attention to detail and everything, y'all, she definitely showed out. When I went back up to the front, I told her that I seen everything, and she was like, she did it all herself. Y'all, look at this little sewing machine. Like, I cannot. And so yeah, so if you are in JOANN'S, let me know what your display area looks like. And so the pillows in this area ranged from $24.99 to $39.99. And they are definitely very sturdy pillows. They are super like thick and heavy, so it's not like you're getting like a cheap quality pillow. And I just love the overall look and aesthetic. And they also had some rugs here. They also had like a table and mantle decor. And so keep that in mind if you guys are thinking about hosting a Halloween party. And so JOANN'S has these mats here, you guys. They are $24.99, but they're on sale 40% off. So it makes them like $14.99. Y'all, this is a steal for getting these Halloween mats. You can put them, of course, at your front door, back door, or upon entering the garage. But they had so many different selections of all of the things. Like, you can't help but want to get some things. And so move into this section of like the glass decor, things that you could put like on a mantle or a bookshelf or a console table. Like, these are so cute. I'm loving the spooky haunted houses. And then also, you guys, these witch boots, like, they are so cute. I definitely see this being like a cute little piece that you could put like maybe at your front door, or maybe put like some flowers in it. The possibilities are endless. I love these cute little candy dishes, but also $29.99 for the price. I'll allow it, but also don't want to spend that much. But they just had so many different decor ideas. I'm loving these little boxes as well, and these little lanterns. It's giving definitely that spooky Halloween season feel, but also not too scary. Like I've mentioned in the past, Joe is like anti anything spooky for Halloween, and so I try and keep it a little like still kind of cute, whimsical, but also a little spooky. And now I've seen this trend a lot, you guys, with the Halloween Christmas trees. And JOANN'S did have the Christmas trees. They also had several decor pieces like decorations and things of that nature. The only other place that I've seen this is Dollar Tree, as well as Michael's. But you guys, they definitely had a large selection. And so if you are the ones that decorate for Halloween with a tree, and then definitely stop by your local JOANN'S to see if they have anything in store for you. So y'all, I made my way up to the candle section, and y'all, I am mesmerized by this candle here. I'm definitely going to do a DIY with some candle holders that I have, and so these candles will actually be perfect. Also, you guys, this haunted hollow candle smells so good. It puts me in the mindset of mahogany teak wood. It's the 3-wick candle, and it's in the section for $9.99. So y'all, you can't beat this. Like, it definitely gives you the spooky vibes, and it smells amazing. I also like the other 3-wick candle, like the jars, but not the scents. They just smell too like cliche. And also it had like a candy scent, which I'm not a fan of. But yeah, y'all, like JOANN'S did not come to play this Halloween season. Let me know down in the comments below what was something that you think you may snag when you go to your local JOANN'S. I would love to hear about it in the comment section below. But yeah, y'all, that is going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to turn on that subscribe button so you never miss an upload, you guys. And until next time, you guys, I will see you on the next one, and talk to you soon. Bye.